Welcome to the Twin Cities, site of Super Bowl 52. It's cold. What else did you expect? That I would be in a t-shirt and shorts? Behind me doesn't look like much. Just a regular old building on the corner of a block in the middle of a neighborhood. But this apparently is the site of the best Jucy Lucy in the Twin Cities. You see, a Jucy Lucy is not spelled normally. It's J-U-C-Y-L-U-C-Y, kind of like a Jucy Lucy. But it's a Twin Cities signature favorite. Instead of the cheese on top of the burger, like a cheeseburger normally would, it's cheese inside the burger, like a good old Minnesotan would have. It's like beef injected with the cheese. Like if you really want the cheese on a burger, you gotta put it in the burger so it mixes with the juices. Matt's Bar and Grill has been recommended to us as the best Jucy Lucy in the Twin Cities. We're hungry, we want meat, we want cheese, and we want it together. Let's go inside. Challenge is on.
It is juicy.
Oh.
Wow, this is a good burger. I do like the cheese inside of it as opposed to on top of it. Wow.
Look, this is a great burger. You might ask yourself, how is this different than a cheeseburger? When the cheese lies on top of the burger, it's like a canopy. So it's like a layer. This, it mixes with all the juices, then is baked warm into it. Grilled right into the middle of it. It's pretty amazing. Feels like a pocket. You see a pocket.
I just can't, like, do you think it was a singular cheese or a liquid cheese? Or how do they inject it?
It's like a burger pocket, like a meat pocket. Then you put the cheese in the pocket, cover it up, and then grill it. That was a great idea. Strong. Really strong. The best part is Miraz didn't order fries, trying to be good. She brought out a basket of fries and was like, oops, I forgot you didn't want them. And he dove his paws in there to grab a couple of fries so she couldn't take it away.
No. You're not going to run federal tax me. We're not getting charged for them either. They're your classic shoestring fries. They resemble the McDonald's French fry, but obviously much fresher. I would imagine it's all about Viking and Twins jerseys and 3 and 2X.
Like Linval Joseph is the perfect Viking. Big man. For people that eat Jucy Lucy's, like a Steve Hutchinson probably was a very popular jersey. He had like a big man Vikings jersey.
That was good though. I was impressive for a local food.
Yeah, that's an excellent burger. Welcome to the Mall of America and Nickelodeon World, which is host of the Super Bowl media party. See, the smartest thing that every host city now does is throws a party for the media on the Tuesday night of Super Bowl week. Give the media free food and free booze. Well, you've now just become the most popular city in America.
jump from Saturday overnight real quick. Don't die, DA! I don't know what he's doing.
Roasted bison bites. Bison bites. Very tender. Very steaky. Beer cheese. Popcorn and a very liquefied cheese. Beer cheese. Chocolate, peanuts, popcorn covered with chocolate. Like a Reese's peanut butter popcorn. But we're not gonna lie, it'd be tough to be skinny around here. It'd be tough.
But in 30 minutes we do have our sickness line.
Alright, now question for you. Yeah. Do you want your arms raised? Alright. Danny's gonna get you inside. Come on, ready? 3, 1,
Remember to subscribe to NOMAD by clicking on that button here, and we'll get you all hooked up. Notifications for brand new episodes. Until next time, remember, cheese on top of a burger is nothing. Cheese inside the burger is everything. Amendo, out.